अगर न हो उलझन तो खोल के कह दूं, वजूद हजरत इंसान न रूह है न बदन। नाजरीन किराम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। रहतबूत के हवाले से जब बात चली तो आपको बताते चले, कश्मीर के सरजमीन के खुनहार बेटे हाजिम रशीद ने अपनी मेहनत, लगन और कश्मकश के साथ जो है यहाँ पे ब्राइट स्टूडेंट्स को तैयार किया है। इनमें मॉरल डेवलपमेंट इनको दी जाती है, इंटेलेक्चुअली इनको बूस्ट किया जाता है और कम्युनिकेशन के हवाले से भी इनको उजागर किया जाता है। तो आपको बताना चाहेंगे आज का मौजू जो है मुश्तरका दो उन्वानों पे हम बात करने की कोशिश करेंगे। एक है मीडिया के मेरिट्स और डिमेरिट्स और एज वेल एज डिग्री और उसके स्किल्स, क्या फर्क है इन सब चीजों पे, तो इस पे भी बातचीत करने की कोशिश करेंगे। सबसे पहले यहाँ पे एक बच्ची है, शगुफा है, इससे जानने की कोशिश करेंगे। बेटा, जब आप यहाँ से जाते हो तो कितना टाइम फेसबुक यूज करते हो और कितना टाइम फैमिली को देती हो?
सर, पहली बात कि मैं फैमिली के साथ ज्यादा बैठती नहीं हूँ, मैं अलग रूम में ही होती हूँ और होमवर्क वगैरह मैं ज़्यादा टाइम बुक्स को ही देती हूँ और कम टाइम फ़ोन को यूज़ करती हूँ। मैं ज़्यादा फ़ोन नहीं यूज़ करती।
अब बेटा आपसे जानने की कोशिश करेंगे, क्या आपको लगता है कितना टाइम आप स्पेंड करते हो पेरेंट्स के साथ और कितना ये फोन के साथ?
सर, मैं पेरेंट्स के साथ भी मतलब लिमिट टाइम मतलब करती हूँ यूज़ और सोशल मीडिया भी मैं यूज़ करती हूँ।
ताहिर, आपसे जानने की कोशिश करेंगे कितने मेरिट्स और डिमेरिट्स हैं सोशल मीडिया की?
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सभी को। So when I am just going back to my home, so I think I am too much attached with my laptop and phone as well. I am spending too much time on social media, not only social media but many platforms. So I am just taking online classes as well. I am learning e-commerce as well. So that's why I am not providing too much time to my family. That's one of the most important thing which I am not doing.
बेटा, आप कितना टाइम स्पेंड करते हो फैमिली के साथ?
Yeah, so firstly, Assalamu alaikum to everyone. So firstly, when I go back to my home, I spend first time with mobile phone, social media, and then after I spend time with my family because when I return home, I use social media just like I used to have podcasts there and all of the things. I spend less time with my family, so that's all.
What is your take on beta about it? Be continue.
सेम क्वेश्चन कितना टाइम आप देते हो
सर,
स्क्रीन को, सोशल मीडिया को?
सर ज़्यादा नहीं, मैं थोड़ा ही टाइम देती हूँ। मैक्सिमम टाइम मैं देती हूँ अपने पेरेंट्स फैमिली के साथ एंड लेस टाइम मैं देती हूँ मोबाइल फ़ोन के साथ।
हनी गेस कितना टाइम? 1-2 घंटे?
नो, 1.5।
गुड। पास ऑन माइक।
बताओ आप बेटा।
सर, फर्स्टली अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। पहले मैं जब यहाँ से घर जाती हूँ तो फर्स्टली मैं यहाँ से जाके पहले मैं अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ टाइम देती हूँ बहुत ज़्यादा, तो मैं फिर पॉडकास्ट वगैरह सुनती हूँ 20 मिनट्स।
20 मिनट्स।
First of all, greetings everyone. So when I return back to my home, I spend a lot of time with my mobile phone and then I give time to books and I don't get too much time to spend it with my family. I give almost 10-20 minutes with them.
मसनून आपसे जानने की कोशिश करेंगे, जब हम देखते हैं आजकल के दौर में जब हम सोशल मीडिया को इस्तेमाल करते हैं, जब हम फेस टू फेस किसी के साथ मिलते हैं तो हम इमोशनली कनेक्ट हो जाते हैं। जब हम फोन पे बोलते हैं किसी को हाय हेलो कैसे हो, हम उसकी फीलिंग्स को नहीं समझ पाते हो। उस पे आपके थॉट क्या है?
So good evening everyone out here. So firstly, the question that you told about like we are just emotionally connected with the friends. So social media is a thing that distracted us with these sort of connections. Because if a group of friends is staying in the park, we are scrolling through the different strangers, we are scrolling through the different feeds. Some of us are talking with other guys, but we are in a group. That means how social media connected us to many of the people, but it disconnected most of the hearts out here. And secondly, I will say like social media was made to benefit us, not to just help us to like get distracted from our friends, families, blah blah that.
जी बेटा, आपका टेक ऑन इस पे क्या है?
सेम क्वेश्चन, आप कितना टाइम फैमिली का और स्क्रीन टाइम क्या रहता है आपका?
वेल, अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू।
Well, I spend most of the time with my parents. Mostly, I spend time with my grandparents. I use social media, but in a limit, because social media can connect us with people, but it can also disconnect with our family. It can also disconnect us with ourselves. So I spend most of the time with my parents. Mostly, I spend it with my grandparents.
What do you think about this?
So firstly, assalamu alaikum to everyone.
वालेकुम सलाम.
So when I just go back home, I do my homework. Then after मैं जिन में पूरा मतलब पढ़ता हूँ, मैं उसको सारे को कैप्चर करता हूँ. Then after that मैं अपनी फैमिली के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करता हूँ और फोन पे मैं बहुत ज़्यादा कम टाइम देता हूँ.
कितना टाइम है गेस?
I guess 20-30 minutes.
हाजिम सर, आपसे जानने की कोशिश करेंगे. सबसे पहले आपको कंग्रेचुलेशन.
Yeah, thank you so
आई
much,
वुड
sir.
लाइक टू बिगिन विद बाय आस्किंग यू, तो ब्राइट स्टूडेंट्स आपने तैयार किया है, क्रीम है शुपियन में, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस पर?
Thank you so much for having me here. Great privilege, pleasure, and I must express my heartfelt gratitude. Okay, coming from like a great distance from Kakapur and capturing such a brilliant and young minds, kudos for that of that very thing. See, the thing is that which I have seen, I give my youth, I give my prime, I give my everything. What I can say, I give my blood of my body as well. I spent almost 7 years. I have seen we do have enough talent in Chopin. Okay, I met a lot of people till now who does have a creativity to speak, but they thought that if we will speak, people will judge us. I gave them just like sport, you can do it. They spoke like a pro. Okay, so you might have seen there's a great saying Allama Iqbal Sahab, he used it to say, "Nahi tera nashiman kasri sultani ki gumbad par, tu shahi hai बसेरा कर पहाड़ों की चट्टानों में, तो शाही है परवाज से काम तेरा, तेरे सामने आसमान और भी है." We are the falcons. See, it's prime age for the youngsters. They can do wonders. You might have seen, just like we got a couple of viral videos from past, if we say like past 6 months, you know, our video touched 1 million. So many times a lot of people ask us this question in Chopin. People are lacking communication. You might have seen our leaders, they are not able to talk, right? We'll talk about MLAs, they are still stucking. If we see our road connectivity is very bad as compared to other districts, the main reason is that we are lacking leaders. Now our mission is that there is well-known saying, I want to share. मेरी जिंदगी का है मकसद कि मैं किसी के काम आऊं, मेरी जिंदगी का है मकसद कि मैं किसी के काम आऊं, मैं की चरा गिरा हूं, मुझे शौक से जलाओ. The goal, in fact, I love this name from Jim Quick. He said something incredible. He used to say, the goal is not that to live here forever. The goal is not that to live here forever, but the goal is that to create something which lives forever. This is my chaman. There is well-known saying, फलाफुला रहे यारब चमन मेरी उम्मीदों का, फलाफुला रहे यारब चमन मेरी उम्मीदों का, जिगर का खून दे दे के ये पौधे मैंने पाले है. Our mission is that to give speakers to Chopin, which we you know what I can say. Our district hurts very badly because we are lacking each and every facility. If we'll talk about our roads, our administration, like our hospitals, our education system, so we are lacking leaders. Our mission is that to give leaders to society. That's my mission.
What is your vision about human development? What sort of capability do you think you have to be idolized in this society? Who is your idol whom you thought before embarking on your professional journey?
You know, come with me. Quran says, I created humans for a specific purpose. That's worship of God, right? There is well saying, in fact, I am the diaphin of Allama Iqbal Sahab. He used it to say, सबक फिर पर तू सदाकत का, सजात का, इनायत का, अदालत का, लिया जाएगा तुझसे काम दुनिया की अदालत. So it's really important. We must know who we are. In fact, I love this name from Mother Teresa. Oh, what I can say. She used it to say very daily. She used it to say, we are all humans. We are all humans, and for us it looks so smart. हम सब इंसान हैं और हमारे लिए कोई बड़ी बात नहीं. इंसान होना बहुत बड़ी बात है. इंसान के पास अकल है. Almighty Allah says, I created humans. The humans are the smartest and greatest creation of Almighty Allah. I thought that we should work on our intellect. See, our future is such kind of youngsters. Okay, they are upcoming stars, upcoming leaders, upcoming IAS and upcoming UPSC, upcoming engineers and entrepreneurs. So my mission is that to give them moral education as well. Who we are. What's the purpose of life? Life is not all about khana, pina or sona. You know, life is something different. We should see, we are all humans, right? Come with me. Quran says, "Wamal hayat dunya illa mata'ul ghurur." We have to face day of judgment, right? Yes, no. So at the end, Almighty Allah will ask a question: what you did? So this is the entire life. So it's trial for us. So we should be very serious. We should be very humble. We should be a good human beings first of all. See, our Kashmir is hurting very badly. See, what I can say, I have no words. See, our youngsters facing drug, what I can say, using abusing words, having good degrees, lacking moral ethics, not knowing what's the value of mother, what's the value of sister. So I thought that we should work on youngsters. If we will not work, you know, actually, in fact, I love this name from Allama Iqbal Sahab. He used it to say, "Afraad ke haathon mein hai aqwam ki taqdeer, अफराद के हाथों में है अक़वाम की तकदीर, हर फर्द है का मुकद्दर का सितारा. It's not my responsibility, brother. It's your responsibility. Each and every individual in society must take a responsibility. Otherwise, we are heading towards destruction. That's my mission.
आपसे जानने की कोशिश करेंगे बेटा डिग्री कितनी इम्पोर्टेंट है और स्किल कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है.
सर आई थिंक बोथ आर इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर अस. जैसे कि अगर हमें कोई गवर्नमेंट जॉब या कुछ चाहिए, हमें उसके लिए डिग्रीज भी ज़रूरी होती है. विदाउट डिग्री वी कांट गेट ए गवर्नमेंट जॉब. एंड फिर स्किल की बात करें, अगर हम फिर वो जॉब हमने की तो फिर हमें उसके लिए स्किल होनी चाहिए. फॉर एग्जांपल ए गवर्नमेंट टीचर, उसको एक स्किल्स होनी चाहिए पढ़ाने के.
Yeah, good. Thank you.
बेटा आपका.
Sir, degree and skills are both important for us. Like, if you have a skill, we are the queens of our own kingdom, and degrees are very important. Like, but in degrees, we have to work under the government. But if we do not have a degree, we can't get a government job.
ताहिर आपसे जानने की कोशिश करेंगे, कुछ स्टूडेंट्स की डिग्री भी होती है लेकिन वो लैकिंग करते हैं बोलने में, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस हवाले से.
So the thing is that if we talk about the current situation, degree is much more important. That gives you a recognition what you have achieved, what you have done in your life. But the thing is that if we talk about the current situation, current generation, current time, so skill is most important. So if we see the current scenario that many degree holders are stuck in our comfort zones because they don't have, now government cannot provide you that sort of jobs, opportunities and all that. But if you have a skill, then you can create your own kingdom, then you can create your own entrepreneurship. That's all about the skills. That's why I am saying that skills are most important in this generation.
Thank you so much.
थैंक यू. बेटा आपसे जानने की कोशिश करेंगे, इंस्टेंट ग्रेटिफिकेशन के लोग शिकार हैं, शॉर्टकट्स बहुत जल्दी ढूंढते हैं, तो आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे, क्योंकि डिग्री जो है उसमें प्रोसेस लग जाता है और स्किल जो है सीखने में 12th के बाद ही सीख सकता है शॉर्ट टर्म में.
Yeah, if I talk about that thing, degrees take much more time to have. But if we go for skills, skills are just very easy. In skills, we have boost our confidence level, and in skills, there's a creativity, our own mindset. But in degrees, there's if we'll go for skills, there is a shortage. We can earn many in very short time. But in degrees, there's a process. There's a long process in which we just sometimes fail. So that's
Yeah, thank you so much.
आप इससे एग्री करते हो जो इसने बताया?
जी.
बताए.
जो डिग्री है, अगर हम बहुत सारी फील्ड्स में देखेंगे, जैसे कि हम डॉक्टर फील्ड में देखेंगे, उनके लिए ज़्यादा हम इम्पोर्टेंट MBBS है, वो भी एक डिग्री है. एंड हम देखते हैं कि डॉक्टर्स उनके पास कितनी ज़्यादा डिग्रीज है, तो हम ज़्यादा जाते हैं. एंड जो स्किल है, स्किल हम बहुत कम टाइम में ये गेन करते हैं. एंड इफ़ इट टॉक अबाउट टीचर्स, फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर उनके पास स्किल ना हो पढ़ाने की, तो मतलब टैलेंट हो मगर स्किल नहीं हो पढ़ाने की.
Pass on mic. जी, what is your take on?
So firstly, if I would like to talk about the skills are very important for us. A degree is just like a certificate, but skill helps us to do something. Many people have many degrees, but they didn't know how to talk with others. And if I would like to talk about the degrees is most important if we have knowledge, technology.
Yeah, thank you so much.
आपसे जानने की कोशिश करेंगे, बेटा कहीं इंसानों के पास जो स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं बड़ी बड़ी डिग्रियां होती हैं लेकिन वो बोल नहीं पाते हैं, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस पे?
So I would say कि उनके पास they have lack of skills. तो हम कह सकते हैं कि only degree is not important and skill is also important for them. If they have skill, so they can speak, they can boost their confidence. तो अगर उनके पास only degree है, वही काम नहीं आएगी. Skill is also crucial for these degrees.
मसनून आपसे जानने की कोशिश करेंगे, आप इस बात से इत्तेफाक करते हैं क्योंकि जब एक निज़ाम चलाना होता है, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन या कोई भी सेटअप, उसके लिए डिग्री का होना बहुत लाजमी ज़रूरी होता है. तो अभी वो होल, जैसे कि कोई IAS करता है, IPS करता है, तो वो होल डिस्ट्रिक्ट को कवर करता है, उसको चलाता है. तो आपसे जानने की कोशिश करेंगे, क्या डिग्री मस्ट नहीं है?
Exactly, degree is important as much as skill, but most of the people out here, they spoke like against the degree. That's what I like totally am in contrast with, because a girl told like it's just a piece of paper. If when, let me give an example, if there's a bridge collapsed out there, you won't say that was engineer having any sort of skill or not. You will say at that time where did he get that degree? You will not trust out his skill that time. You will trust out his degree out there. Secondly, as many of them told, like if you have a skill but you have not any sort of degree, if I have a skill to just treat a patient, but without knowledge that I achieved from the degree, how can I just treat one? That's the point out
Thank
here.
you, thank you.
Thank you so
And
much. Thank you so much. What do you, Amna? Shortage of time. Same question goes to you.
Same.
Well, degrees are very important in our lives. Like degrees, it's a proof of our commitment, our dedication. As skills are also important in our life, that we can know how to talk with people, and degrees take much time, like 3 to 4 years, and now skills take just 4 to 6 months, and we can earn a lot of money in just 6 months. And degrees take a lot of time. That's why degree. I can say degree and skills both are important in our life.
जो जी बेटा आप
Same question goes to degree and skill. What's
Sir,
your point of view?
Degrees
regarding degree and skill?
give you certificate, but skills give you capability. In today's world, capability is what truly matters. Many successful person focus on skills, not just degrees. Steve Jobs, Mark Zuckerberg, they focus on degrees. They build empire with skills, not just
Like Warren Buffett, Elon Musk, and
yes sir,
Steve
not
Jobs.
just yes sir.
They focused on
They-
skills,
yes,
not
sir.
degrees.
Yes, sir.
That's absolutely true. Thank you so much.
Before I conclude, what will be your final message for the students?
My final message is that, see, the world is rapidly changing, dynamics are changing, companies are changing. आसिफ साहब बाहर के teenagers millionaires बन गए और billionaires बन गए. हमारी PhD भीख मांग रहे हैं. Very sorry to say, but I need to say, right? See, I give my prime. I have seen. I met a lot of youngsters in Kashmir Valley suffering a lot, especially if I'll talk about financially, right? See, I traveled a lot somehow. I traveled Gulf countries as well. I have seen out of India, people are doing something different. Not only out of India, out of Kashmir. Okay, our mindset is that we just need a government job. My message for our youngsters is that to boost your skills as much as you can. Because see, we do have a shortage of time. The world is rapidly changing. We are living in the era of AI, artificial intelligence. It's going, every single walk of our life, AI is going to bring a deadly revolution. As you said, we must be ready. So I do have a very truly humble. I am truly humble to tell people to learn skills. I'm not telling you don't go college. Must go college, take your bachelor's. They must go university, take your master's as well. But apart from that, at a very young age, they must boost their skills as much as they can.
चलो आपने अपना कीमती वक्त निकाला,
Thank you
उसके
so
लिए
much.
हम आपकी बेहद ममनून हैं। इस उम्मीद के साथ कि आपसे दोबारा मुलाकात होगी। अल्लाह हाफिज।
Thank you so much. Wow. जोरदार तालियों के साथ